Hello friends, is your engine misfiring, losing power, or refusing to start? If so, you might be dealing with error code P0346. This code points to a camshaft position sensor, CMP issue in bank 2, circuit A. When this sensor fails, your engine struggles to maintain proper timing, leading to rough idling, hesitation, and even sudden stalls. In this video, we'll explain what P0346 means, its symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0346? P0346 stands for Camshaft Position Sensor A Circuit Range Performance, Bank 2. The Camshaft Position Sensor, or CMP, monitors the camshaft's rotation and sends signals to the powertrain control module, also known as the PCM. The PCM then adjusts fuel injection and ignition timing to ensure smooth engine performance. If the CMP sensor provides an incorrect or weak signal, the PCM won't properly control timing, causing poor acceleration, misfires, and even engine failure. Common symptoms of P0346 include check engine light or CL turning on, engine misfires or rough idle, hard starting or complete no-start condition, poor acceleration and loss of power, sudden engine stalls while driving, and increased fuel consumption. Ignoring this code can lead to serious engine damage, so fixing it quickly is essential. The camshaft position sensor, or CMP for bank 2, is usually found in the following locations. Near the cylinder head of bank 2, if your engine is a V6, V8, or V12, bank 2 is the side opposite to cylinder 1. On the valve cover or timing chain cover, some engines mount the CMP sensor near the camshaft sprocket, inside the timing belt or chain area. In some cars, accessing the sensor may require removing the timing cover. Check wiring and connectors. Damaged wires or loose connections can also trigger P0346. Alright, let's talk about the common causes of error code P0346. First up, a faulty camshaft position sensor, or CMP. A worn-out or damaged sensor won't send accurate signals. Next, corroded or loose wiring. A broken circuit or loose connector can interfere with signals. Third, timing chain or belt issues. If the timing chain is worn or misaligned, it can disrupt sensor readings. Fourth, crankshaft position sensor, or CKP issues. A failing CKP sensor can cause similar timing problems. Fifth, a weak battery or alternator. Low voltage supply can cause performance issues in the CMP sensor. And finally, a faulty PCM or powertrain control module. In rare cases, the PCM itself may be causing the problem. Now let's move on to how to fix error code P0346. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for related codes like P0340, P0341, or P0347. Step 2. Locate the camshaft position sensor, also known as CMP, in bank 2, and inspect it for any damage, dirt, or oil contamination. Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for any broken, frayed, or corroded wires. Step 4. Test your battery and alternator to ensure they have proper voltage levels. Step 5. Inspect the timing chain or belt and the camshaft sprocket for any misalignment or wear. Step 6. If the CMP sensor is faulty, go ahead and replace it with a new one. Finally, Step 7. Clear the codes using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive to confirm the fix. A failing camshaft position sensor, or CMP, in bank 2 can cause misfires, poor acceleration, and even stalling. Fixing the P0346 error code will restore proper engine timing and performance. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0340, Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Malfunction, and P0341, Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Range or Performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.